Today, I'll walk you through how to find and fix bank balance discrepancies in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to reconcile your accounts so you can maintain accurate financial records and make informed business decisions. Let's begin by signing into your Xero account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, your central hub for managing finances. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero updates its interface from time to time. Now focus on the business bank account section. Here you'll see two balances, the statement balance and the balance recorded in Xero. Think of these as two sides of a scale that should ideally be in harmony. If you notice a discrepancy, it's time to dig deeper. To address this, open the reconciliation screen. This is where you can review outstanding transactions. It's like checking off items on a grocery list to ensure nothing's missing. Look through the transaction details carefully. You're searching for any missing or incorrect matches that might be causing the imbalance. If you spot any discrepancies, you'll need to reconcile or correct the transactions as needed. This might involve matching transactions correctly or adjusting entries to reflect the actual situation. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. Accuracy is key here. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, return to the dashboard. Review the updated balances. A reduced or resolved balance difference indicates that your account records are now more accurate. It's like tightening the last bolt on a machine, ensuring everything runs smoothly. And that's how to find and fix bank balance discrepancies in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure your financial records are precise and reliable. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.